NEXUS Robotics is a high school team intended to give students a safe and healthy and inclusive work environment.
So we started off with the belief that we should be striving to provide an opportunity for students like me in high school to learn robotics and to advance the field of robotics in STEM.
I think it's really a place to learn and be included in the team's development and growth. Our primary goal is to have everyone on the team included and feel like they're a part of a community here at NEXUS.
We are able to laugh while designing.
That was a whole goal, to create relationships between mentors and students, to provide a place where students can try new ideas. On the team, we have 20 students that are all specialized in different areas of robotics. Most of us work in the mechanical side, the fabrication side, and I think everyone actually participated in that this year.
We have team members who are skilled in computer-aided design.
We also have a specialized software team of 3 students that work to program all of our robots, the competition robot, the practice bot, and the 4 mini-bots. An electrical team that's been trained and working really hard this year.
They all form part of a whole, and without each individual team putting in sufficient effort, the robot will cease to exist.
Our robot is built to compete in the 2018 First Robotics competition.
So the task this year was to lift milk crates, they call them power cubes, to balances. There's 3 on the field, one's 7 feet high and the other 2 are about 2 feet high.
So on our specific robot, we have 2 arms that go straight out of the robot and have wheels so that I can intake a cube.
Lifts it up and drops it onto those balances.
And we also have a climber on the back that attaches to one of the game pieces and then lifts the entire robot off the field.
And just do a pull-up almost.
What I've most learned on my team is how to be a good team player, how to work well with people from different backgrounds and different skills and different views.
I've learned many different things, whether it's learning practical things like how to build, but I've also learned teamwork, leadership, when I led projects like building field components and other projects I led on the actual robot for building.
The mentors have taught me different technical skills. I had an opportunity to weld a part of our robot. It is absolutely amazing to be able to connect 2 pieces of metal and to have it be strong enough to actually hold the robot.
And they let the students do most of the work. They only come in when help is actually needed.
As much as possible, I try to teach them to operate the tools. Taught a number of the students to weld, TIG weld aluminum even, use the saws and various other tools.
Working with them, they're also there to pass on their knowledge, which is something we all want to do on this team.
These youth are very intelligent. They can figure stuff out. We don't have to guide them at the macro level, you know.
All of our mentors offer a very different skills from very different areas that add to their learning experience.
Being part of a robotics team, I think really advanced my knowledge of STEM and the field of robotics, which is something I want to go into in the future. Computer engineering is where I'm looking to go.
Because of First Robotics, I know that I want to go into engineering when I'm older.
I think a lot of the work I've done here on the robot directly correlates with what I'll be doing as a mechanical engineer in the future.
I've just become more of an outgoing person, actually, by joining this team.
You know, this is a phenomenal environment for introverts who are technical minded, that want to shine and haven't had this opportunity to shine before.
It's important for sponsors to help robotics teams like ours is because you are investing in the leaders of tomorrow. You're helping the inventors, the creative thinkers, the leaders. You are helping the future.
We define success as a team as when we're able to teach people skills that they don't know and to teach them robotics, to teach them how to build a robot. And seeing that happen has been a huge achievement this year.
Mr.